Okay, now I have this review for you guys for the Harbor Freight meat grinder. It's an electric meat grinder. I tried it out once just so I can get a feel for it, and then I went ahead and started to do this review. So one tip I do want to give you is before when you go to clean up your unit, it's best to hand wash these and dry them. All of the parts, the brush, I believe it's aluminum, brushed aluminum parts. You want to clean those by hand with just some mild dish soap and then dry them off. Because I took and put this hopper into the dishwasher, and it seems to have changed the color of it and took whatever the finish was or something of the sort. It seemed to made it discolored. So I'm going to suggest to wash that by hand and not put it into the dishwasher. But otherwise, it performed great, and you're going to see that here in a second. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I have my venison here, and I like to wash my meat and then cut it up just before I put it in the hopper. And once I get this started here, you probably won't be able to hear me, but I'm just gonna go ahead and let you know everything you need to know now. And that's mainly just making sure that your pieces are cut for the inside diameter of the hopper, and then it'll pretty much go smooth like butter. Performs pretty well. I was surprised how sharp the grinding blade is, the cutting blade. Okay, so I would say that this is definitely a keeper. It works very well. It grinds the meat very evenly, and you can switch out blades. It has a coarse in it, also a fine. It has sausage stuffers. It has all of the other attachments that come along with that. It's pretty great. Only thing I do say is just wash all of these by hand. All right, that's this review. Look for more coming up. More than 60 pounds in 1 hour.